Hi, my name's Joe Gallant from Rivertown Honda. First thing, I'd like to thank you for the opportunity to earn your business. We as a dealership and me as a sales professional, I understand that there's many options out there, and I appreciate you giving me a chance to earn your business. The main reason I'm sending this video and this email out to you is just to let you know of some new incentives Honda has just released. They are now offering 0.9% for up to 60 months on almost all of our 2011 models. On top of that, Honda is also continuing their 0.9% for up to 36 months and 1.9% for up to 60 months on almost all of our 2012 models. Additionally, too, Honda is also continuing their amazing lease programs. Honda's programs right now are one of the top in the nation for lease prices. Okay, on almost all of our 2011 and 2012 models, Honda has some amazing lease incentives. Honda really is committed till 2011. This is the last month of the year, and Honda really wants to push some units out. So they are continuing these incentives, which I have never seen before in my 5 years working with Honda. The combination of 2011 interest rate for 0.9% for 60 months, combination of the 2012 interest rate on new models that are coming in. Additionally, too, with the lease incentives, I've yet to see this. So if you're looking to buy a vehicle now, really is a perfect time with all these things. I'd love to earn your business again as a dealership. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions, you can call me at 616-667-4538 or go ahead and just respond to this email. Again, thank you so much. I appreciate your time. My name is Joe Gallant from Rivertown Honda, and thank you so much.